This starts as a potato buried underground. A few minutes later, it's moving through a factory at incredible speed. It's cleaned, inspected, peeled, cut, blanched, fried, frozen, and finally packaged. But how does a simple potato become the perfectly shaped French fry we recognize? Let's follow the entire journey, from field, to factory, to fries. It all starts in the field. Potatoes grow underground. When they're ready, massive harvesters pull them from the soil. The potatoes are separated and carried toward the factory. And this is where the real transformation begins. Fresh from the field, they're covered in dirt. Screens remove loose soil. Brushes scrub the skins. Water sprays wash everything down. Dirty potatoes go in. Clean potatoes come out. But clean doesn't mean perfect. Cameras inspect every potato at high speed. The system detects unwanted defects. Then, watch this. One air blast removes the bad potato. The good ones keep moving. Next, the skins have to go. Industrial rollers rapidly strip away the outer layer. The machine keeps the potatoes moving continuously. Brown skins disappear. Smooth potatoes emerge. Now comes the biggest transformation. Each potato enters a precision cutting system. Powerful blades slice it into uniform strips. One potato becomes dozens of fries. Then thousands race down the conveyor. But they're still completely raw. Before frying, there's a step most people never see. The raw fries enter hot water. Temperature and timing are carefully controlled. And this prepares the potato for its final texture. Next comes the heat. Now the fries enter hot oil. Bubbles explode around the potato. Moisture escapes. The outside turns golden and crisp. This is where raw potato becomes a French fry. But they're not finished yet. The fries are cooled and rapidly frozen. This prepares them for storage and transportation. Now they're ready to leave the factory. Automated machines measure the fries. Bags are filled and sealed. Thousands of packages move through the line, from factory to warehouse, and eventually to your kitchen. And that's the journey, from soil to harvest to factory to fries. One potato, an entire industrial process. Subscribe to Factory Fields for the next harvest to factory journey. Field to factory to food. Factory Fields.